So I'm making my blackberry cobbler, and I'm just putting the crust on the top. So I'm going to go across. So now I'm going to put just a little bit of butter on these. Just smear it on there. And after I smear the butter on there, I'm just going to sprinkle a little mixture of cinnamon and sugar. And the butter, it'll stick to the butter. Just need a little bit. That's good. And here's my little mixture. Just a little, that's good. And I'm gonna put it in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. So my blackberry cobbler just came out of the oven. It's hot and still bubbling. Look at it, nice and juicy and delicious.